Have you ever wondered how dinosaurs, the most dominant creatures of Earth's past, came into being? Let's take a journey back in time around 230 million years ago to the Mesozoic era. It was in this era that our Earth witnessed the dawn of these majestic creatures evolving from their early reptilian ancestors. Their evolution was not a matter of mere decades or centuries, but spanned millions of years. Over this time, these creatures went from being mere inhabitants to the rulers of the planet. Their reign was most prominent during two distinct periods, the Jurassic and the Cretaceous. During these periods, dinosaurs evolved into a diverse range of species, each unique in size, shape and lifestyle. From the towering, long-necked sauropods to the swift and deadly velociraptors, dinosaurs came to dominate every corner of the world. So the reign of the dinosaurs began, ruling the Earth for nearly 165 million years. Did you know that not all dinosaurs were gigantic, terrifying beasts? In fact, dinosaurs were a diverse lot, with a fascinating array of sizes, shapes and abilities. For instance, the Argentinosaurus, one of the largest dinosaurs, was a veritable titan, reaching lengths of up to 100 meters. This herbivorous behemoth roamed the Earth millions of years ago, leaving behind fossils that have allowed us to piece together its colossal stature. On the other end of the scale, we find the diminutive Compsognathus. Barely larger than a modern-day chicken, this little carnivore was no less fearsome. It's an excellent reminder that size isn't everything when it comes to the prehistoric world. Speaking of diets, dinosaurs weren't just herbivores and carnivores. Some, like the Spinosaurus, were likely piscivores, feasting on the abundant fish of their time. This highlights the adaptability of these ancient creatures, each finding their own niche in the diverse ecosystems of the Mesozoic era. And let's not forget the unique abilities of some dinosaurs. The pterodactyls, for instance, were not bound by the land. These winged wonders took to the skies, showcasing an amazing evolutionary adaptation. Meanwhile, the plesiosaurs adapted to life in water, becoming efficient swimmers in the ancient seas. Thus, the world of dinosaurs was a diverse one, filled with creatures of all shapes and sizes. Each dinosaur, from the towering Argentinosaurus to the tiny Compsognathus, played a unique role in the rich tapestry of prehistoric life. What could possibly cause the disappearance of these magnificent creatures from the face of the Earth? Well, the answer might be as complex as the creatures themselves. Around 65 million years ago, the dinosaurs, who had ruled the planet for over 160 million years, vanished. This event, known as the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction, has fascinated and puzzled scientists for centuries. One of the most popular theories is the asteroid impact theory. A massive asteroid or comet about 6 miles in diameter is believed to have struck the Earth. The impact would have caused massive fires, tsunamis, and launched so much dust and debris into the atmosphere that it blocked out the sun, leading to a nuclear winter effect. But there's another theory, volcanic activity. Around the same time, there were intense volcanic eruptions in what is now India. These eruptions would have released vast amounts of dust and gases that could have altered the climate and made the world inhospitable for dinosaurs. Then there's the climate change theory. Gradual changes in the Earth's climate over millions of years, including cooling temperatures and changing sea levels, could have slowly made life more difficult for dinosaurs. These theories, individually or collectively, could explain the mass extinction of the dinosaurs. Despite the specific cause still being a matter of debate, one thing is certain. In the blink of a geological eye, the reign of the dinosaurs came to an abrupt end. Could humans and dinosaurs have coexisted at some point in history? A question that often sparks intrigue and curiosity. However, the pages of our planet's history reveal a different story. The last of the dinosaurs, barring a few feathered species that evolved into today's birds, bid their farewell around 65 million years ago, marking the end of the Cretaceous period. Fast forward to about 6 million years ago, the first hominids, our distant ancestors, started to appear on the scene. This leaves a gap of nearly 60 million years, a time span difficult to fathom, between the extinction of dinosaurs and the dawn of humans. So despite what popular culture may suggest, humans and dinosaurs never shared the Earth. Our knowledge of these magnificent creatures comes solely from the fossil record, a silent testament to their existence. While we may never meet a live dinosaur, their legacy lives on in our imagination and in the fossil record.